Hello everyone with a new episode of Crypto Scalper Day Trading. Even if we don't always talk just about day trading or crypto, today I'll do a very quick overview of the market in general. And the last time I put a video, it was about Bitcoin going to visit the 35,000 brackets after we had this big head and shoulder that we talked about in the previous video, and effectively we did go to 36 almost, and that was seems that was a bottom, and a lot of people picked that bottom and now are happy that Bitcoin is around 47, so they made almost 10Ks on their 36Ks. But that's not what I'll speak. I mean, today it's about, first of all, to say that it seems the head and shoulder is now reversed, and then we're flashing a W on Bitcoin and it's going back up. We have some kind of confirmation when we compare to the SP 500 because the Bitcoin and the S&P have been kind of correlated in a way, and you can see how they trace the same movement. W I go up on S&P 500, W I go up on BTC, I go down on S&P 500, I go down on BTC, W I go back up on S&P 500, I go back up on BTC. Now you can enlarge it to have the same sizes. If it seems like it's just a ratio issue, it doesn't mean that one is going stronger than the other. They're really very close. So I just wanted to do a quick session to compare the BTC to the S&P 500, and then I added gold on top, show that sometimes gold does the opposite, but with less weight. I mean, if S&P 500 is going strongly up, gold will go lightly down. Okay, if S&P 500 and Bitcoin are going down, gold will be slightly going up. That's an interesting relation to note if you are usually trading the markets and you want some additional indicators. So as you can see, we have a small mini head and shoulders on the gold here, if you see it. Let's color it with a see that, and opposite, and however on the S&P and the BTC we have like W's, boom, W's, boom. So that was it for today's session. It was a very quick session. Seems the markets on cryptos are slightly bullish, short-term bullish, let's say short-term bullish. The only thing I noticed is that this morning seems some people have been buying some USDT, which means they're pulling money out of crypto. I don't know if this could be, if today we could reverse to a bear, it is possible, but right now it's looking bullish. But you never know. It could we could see the rally continue, but we could only see some staling. I mean, it did add 10Ks on the 36K, so it was quite a rally, and I'm not sure if it's exhausted or not yet. So that was it. And if we look on a specific market, let's say Binance, and then we look for if there's any high volatility happening. Let's take 8 as an indicator above, even actually 7, maybe 8 is too high. And then I'll just look on those using USD, and then I'll only check those with high volumes. So there are some cryptos with high volatility, but these, I mean, they don't really concern me. They're like, they're like super altcoin, Rune, Wave, volatility, big changes. So there seems to be some high activity today. Not sure how long this will hold. Okay, that was it for today's session. I'll be doing a separate video to show how we can superimpose graphs and how to superimpose indicators and so on trading views, because it's very helpful. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Please subscribe and like and share.